Hey guys, it's me Abigail. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be helping you put together this really quick, easy get ready with me work look or daytime look. This is seriously the look that I run to when I have no time to even use barely any tools. I put together this look in less than 15 minutes, I promise, and I used my hands 97.9% of the time. So if you're interested in getting this look when you have no time for true makeup, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Love you guys. Alright guys, so when I am working against time, I try to pick up products that are going to do more than one thing at a time and that I can easily apply. And for that, we're going to start with the primer that is a spray. So this one is from Urban Decay. It's called Quick Fix, and I love it because it's a hydrating and also priming spray. So what I do is literally called Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydrating Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. So what I do is I give myself a couple of sprays. Oh, and it smells so good because it has coconut water, so it's like really good for your skin. So once I do that, once it's dry, I'm ready to go ahead and apply my foundation. And when I am in a rush and I'm pressed against time and I have to get ready really quickly, I pick up this. Alright, it is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. It is color correcting, full coverage, anti-aging, hydrating serum, and it has a SPF already built on it. I am in the tone medium, and I literally apply it with my hands, which again, if we're working pressed against time, we want to use our hands to do a lot of what we normally would use tools for. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna apply just about a pump. It's a big pump and you don't really need even that much. And again, I'm gonna be using my hands, so I'm going to like put it in the areas where I would need it the most. And again, I love it because I do have some red going on in my skin and it is a color correcting, so I love that. And let's go ahead and work while we speak. Initially, because it is full coverage, when you put it on your skin, you're like, oh my god, this is not gonna work. But I promise it will work. It's so nice because it is color correcting and it does like build to your own tone of your skin. So yes, mine is a medium, but it would look really natural. And again, this is what I run to when I am, when I snoozed my alarm clock and I'm running out of time and I have to hurry and get ready for work. And you know what, to be honest, not every day you want to wear foundation. Like there are times when you wake up and you're like, I don't want to put on any real makeup, but I just want to look nice. This is like perfect for those days. So seriously, like I slap it on like this, and again, just like press it into your skin. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna start like blending into your skin. See, you still can see like my skin. And for a person that likes like full coverage, this might not work for that person. But again, if you're pressing against time and you really need to get ready quickly, but you still want to look somewhat presentable, then definitely a CC cream, a BB cream, these will be perfect for times like this. So alright, I did that, and I just wanted to make sure that it's everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and look in my mirror over here, just at least that it's even. And this is another reason why these CC creams and these BB creams are really perfect for on the go, because they're very forgiving. Like you could just blend this to your skin and you don't have to be like perfect, everything doesn't have to be like perfect. You can just be on the go, and it provides everything that you're looking for: coverage, even toned, SPF, which is so important. All right, perfect. So now that this is on, I still want to set it because it is open-ended, and if not, you'll feel like you have like sticky skin. And you also want to set it because you want it to last like throughout the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Your Skin But Better CC cream. It is like the sister to this product, and it's called the Airbrush Perfecting Powder, and it also contains an SPF on it, and mine's is also in medium. So it looks like this, guys. It's just a setting powder, like a blurring powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and use like my fluffy powder brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and press it into the product, and I'm just literally going to put this powder all over my face in a pressing motion. And again, we're working against time, so we're doing things rather quickly. Not too long ago, I was at my son's birthday party, and a couple of girls were talking, and they were like, you know, who has time really for like full makeup every morning, you know? And I totally get it. I totally understand. Not everyone is, you know, or can get up like at 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning just to give yourself the half an hour or 45 minutes that you need to do like a full face every day. Even I myself, sometimes, you know, I'm just so tired. I'll be honest, you know, I'm just tired, and I don't have the time to get up and be like, oh, I want to do like a full face, I want to contour, I want to do all of this. So these kind of products are perfect for on the go, and there you go. So I'm gonna set everything in place. Again, you still want to set it because it is open-ended, and you'll feel like you'll have like a sticky face all day. So there you go. Now that is done, so the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and do my eyebrows. And for days like this where we are on the go, there is like no real time to carve out the perfect eyebrows. I totally understand. I too face these issues. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up an eyebrow pencil. This one is a perfect dupe for the Anastasia, and I love this pencil. It's from Loreal Paris, and it is called the Brow Stylist Definer Pencil. It's an ultra fine tip shaping pencil, and my color is in brunette, like brunette brown. And so I take the spoolie side and I just comb my brows quickly to the way that they naturally fall. And I do have like a lot of gaps on my natural eyebrows. I'm trying to grow them out using like the castor oil. I've been doing it for about 2 weeks now, along with my like lashes. So I'm hoping for the best. I hope this really works. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be using this because again, I don't have the time to pick up the powder and the brush and start carving out and all of that. So what I do, guys, is I get the pencil, and I'm gonna grab like the mirror from the compact, and all I do is I fill in the areas that are really sparse. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this side open so that while I am combing them out, I'm looking for like areas that like are really sparse, so they have like really big gaps, like bald spots. And I'm gonna go ahead and just fill those areas in, just so that at least they look like somewhat nicely put together. But this is again happening really quickly, so I just kind of like fill those areas in. This is also a nice way to have like really natural looking brow. Just like that. And oops, I messed up right there. So you just comb them out. See, and now it looks just, and now it just looks fuller compared to this one, see? And that's it. So now my brows are done, and again, you know, just very natural looking. Of course, if you want to like get in there and really give it a little bit more of a shape. But at the end of the day, what we're doing is just making ourselves presentable in a really quickly way. All right, Abigail, stop. I am going to put something on my eyes, because you know, you don't want like just your veins to be showing through or anything like that. You want to kind of like give yourself just a little color. So I'm gonna pick up a small little palette that I have from Tarte. It's called the Tarte Tease, and this one is perfect because you can just create quick looks. I go for the more natural colors when I'm like working fast and with my hands. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip my finger into Whisper, and I'm going to seriously rub Whisper like all over my lid. Just all over my lid. And now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to dip my finger into Wink, and I'm going to put it like this, and just at that lower area, and then dab, dab, dab. There we go. And then last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and dip my finger into First Kiss. This one is a little bit of a shimmer, and you're gonna keep it nice and low on your lid area just to give it like a pretty little shimmery glow. So let's go ahead and dip our finger, same finger, on that area, and you're gonna just seriously like put it right there. Keep it low on your like lid area, and there you go. So that's that. Pretty, right? Really quickly. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw on some blush, and we're gonna use the same powder brush, because remember, working fast, so like you don't have the time to like do a million other things. So I'm going to be using Hot Mama, and this one is from the Balm. And the reason why I choose a oh my god, blush like this is because it's very forgiving. One, it's a very pretty shimmery color too, and it has a built-in highlighter already. So let me show you what Hot Mama looks like that, and it's so pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip that brush in there like that, tap off the excess, and I'm seriously just gonna run it right here, kind of like in the area where you put your blush and your highlight, just like a little bit right there. That's all you need. All right, perfect. So now we got that out the way, and again, we're working really fast here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my mascara, and I'm going to put mascara on my lashes. So whichever mascara you're like really into, but I've been into this one lately, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is, because I don't have time to like, you know, put color like on my lower lash and all of that, I am gonna put a little bit of mascara at the lower lash area just to put something there, because it's like very plain, and I don't have the time for eyeliner. All right, perfect. So that is that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go ahead and quickly you know, wipe down my lips really fast, and then put on my lip gloss, and we are going to be done. And to wipe down my lips, I'm gonna be using the Triple Action Cleansing Water from Sephora, and I'm just gonna wipe all that away really quick. Alright, perfect. And I promise you guys that if I wasn't talking and explaining what I am doing, this look, you can put it together in like minutes. You can still go to work and still look cute and presentable, but it took you like 10 to 15 minutes. So when I want to be very forgiving, I use a lip gloss, and I lately actually have been loving glosses and like liquid lipsticks, because I have been, I don't know, and I got this one and I love it. It is from Rimmel London, and it is called the Stay Glossy 3D lip shine, and it says that it lasts for up to 6 hours. It looks like this, and this one is in the color Lucidalabbra. It's really pretty though. Look, it looks like that. And let's go ahead and just put on lip gloss, and it has a little tint and a little shimmer. It just looks so pretty. So let's go ahead and put on our lip gloss. That's it. And the last thing we're gonna do is set everything. And yes, you do still want to set everything in place. This way, this quick look could last you all day until you get back home, and then you can wash it all off. But you see guys, it is very possible to put together a look in like less than 15 minutes and you still look cute and presentable, and you're like, oh my god, yes, hey. But it took you that quickly. And again, using these products like the CC creams and using your hands to apply, and using like a quick eyebrow pencil and a quick gloss will definitely help you get going on a morning that you just don't have the time to do your full face. So let's go ahead and set it, and I'm gonna use my favorite. So it's the Urban Decay De-Slick. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick get ready with me makeup tutorial. And if you guys want to see more looks like this, please give it a thumbs up. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and have a great day today. Bye bye.